Stop doom scrolling through the same 3 websites. The job market in 2026 isn't just about finding a job, it's about finding the right income stream. Whether you want a 6-figure career or a side hustle to fund your passive income goals, you need to know where to look. Today we're breaking down the top 19 job sites, the most in-demand skills right now, and how to master Upwork. Let's get to work. Section 1. The Old Guard, the numbers game. First, let's clear the board with the massive aggregators. You know them. Indeed, Monster, Career Builder, and Simply Hired. These are the Walmarts of job search. Great for volume, but noisy. A pro tip for 2026? Use Google for Jobs. It's an aggregator that pulls from all of these sites at once. Don't waste time checking 5 different tabs. Let Google do the heavy lifting. Section 2. The Specialists, high value. If you have a specific skill, stop looking at general job boards. You're wasting your time. If you are in tech, you go to Dice. If you build things, you go to engineering.com. If you want to work for a high-growth startup or get paid in equity, which can be huge for passive wealth later, go to Well-Found, formerly AngelList. This is where the unicorns hire. And if you're already an executive looking for $100,000 plus, Ladders is the only site you should care about. They don't even list low-paying jobs. On the flip side, for stability and pension, usajobs.gov. It's slow, it's bureaucratic, but it's secure. Section 3. Fast cash and local gigs. Need money this week? Snagajob and Craigslist are still the kings of hourly work and local gigs. Just be careful on Craigslist. Vet the posters. Section 4. The Freedom Seekers, remote and freelance. This is for the Grow Passive Tube family. If you want remote freedom, FlexJobs is worth the small subscription fee because they screen out the scams. Section 5. How to choose the best site. Here is the rule of thumb. If you want a standard 9 to 5, use LinkedIn Jobs or ZipRecruiter. Their easy apply buttons are powerful. If you want ownership of your time, you need the gig economy platforms. Section 6. Most in-demand jobs in 2026. Before you apply, what is actually hiring? In 2026, we are seeing a massive spike in 3 areas. 1. AI implementation, not just coding AI, but people who know how to use it for marketing and ops. 2. Cybersecurity. As remote work grows, so do security threats. 3. High-ticket sales companies are desperate for people who can close deals over Zoom. Section 7. Deep Dive, winning on Upwork. Now let's talk about the giant, Upwork. This isn't just a job board, it's a business builder. But most people fail here because they treat it like a resume drop. To win on Upwork in 2026, stop applying to everything. Niche down. Don't be a writer. Be a SaaS email copywriter for fintech. Video intros. Upwork algorithms now heavily favor profiles with video introductions. Record a 30-second clip. It builds trust instantly. And finally, speed. The first 3 reviews are the hardest. Over-deliver on your first few gigs, even if the pay is lower, just to get that top-rated badge. Once you have that, the passive leads start coming to you. The job market is a tool. Use these sites to build the income that funds your life, not the other way around. Which of these sites have you had the best luck with? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to Grow Passive Tube for more side hustle secrets. I'll see you in the next one.